Hello kids, class 5 students. Good morning everyone. How are you all? Okay, welcome back after Sunday. It's Monday now, the beginning of the next week. So, here we are going to start another topic. As you can see, it's written here in unseen passage of English grammar, English 2. What is this? Unseen passage. Did you remember something by this name? Yeah, unseen passage. It means the passage which is unseen, which is not familiar to you with people, which you don't know, which you are unaware about. Means here is the passage. As you can see, this type of activity, this type of passage you have done in class 3rd also, in 4th also. Okay, and it's very interesting thing, scoring an interesting thing. So unseen means, before that you should know the meaning of this thing, that unseen means the thing which you are not familiar with, unaware about the thing. So this is the passage here. It is not given in your books of literature, not in the syllabus books. This has been taken from somewhere else, some other book. That is why it is a part of the syllabus, but this passage has not been taken from the book of your syllabus, that is literature or any other book. It has been taken from somewhere else. That is why it is known as unseen, because you don't know from where it has been taken. Okay, so this is known as unseen passage. Now the process to solve is, what is the process to solve? How it is solved? It is solved, see, here are some questions given, and here other questions are also given here some. The process to solve the passage is, first you read the questions. Read the questions, keep them in your mind. After that, you start reading the passage carefully. And when you will read, the questions which are in your mind will click to your mind, and the answers you will get from here only, nowhere else. The questions are based on this passage, and the answers are here only. From here only you will get the answers. So to save the time, first you should read the questions and keep them in your minds, and then you will get the answers after reading the passage. So this is the way, this is the method, the process to solve this passage. So students, here is the passage. I'll give you the clicks also. From that you can copy down. The first thing, in the notebook of English 2, you have to do this. You all have made the notebooks of English 2, English grammar. This you have to do in that. You have to copy the passage as it is done here, along with the date when you will do this work. Along with the date, you have to copy questions, and then you will do the answers. Alright, so in this way you have to do it. Don't just do the question answers. First you copy the passage, then you do the question answers, then you solve this. Alright, okay students, any confusion, any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, bye.